All right, guys, welcome to the afternoon ETH. I will not be chasing this. So if it starts to go under 700, I'm just going to let it go. Hopefully it'll go up. But at first, I'm going to just have minimum risk. If I get stopped out, I am done. I am not going to take another trade. This has to go or it will not go. So either an entry at 14 or 15, go short. Again, if it passes 3,700, then my entry is too tight and I missed it. So if you are under leveraged, you can go short at 7, but you're gonna have to have a stop at least up to 14 or 15. So it's up to you. So the sign that the trade is done is if we go under 3,700. There could be a short here, but I'm gonna wait for a short here. And I'm only gonna try this once. I already gave up $500 of my profits. I already asked for a withdraw, so most likely tomorrow I am not going to be trading. I don't want to give back any of my money. I'm only going for this short because to me is obvious that the market wants to stay under 3,700. I could be wrong, and the reason that I could be wrong is that also the market tried to stay under 3,700. It fell from the overnight high, right? But to me, it's a sign. It fell from the overnight high. It couldn't sustain the high. It couldn't stay above 40. All right, I need to change this to 24 hours. You know, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it. So again, if it crosses 3,700, my trade is done. If it goes under 3,700, the trade has already started to run. So I will cancel my trade. It could go up to 3708. Oh, you got it? Okay, cool. It's okay. In the beginning, I'll be here for a bit, but I'm gonna go in the jacuzzi. Was it the chiropractor earlier? I'm gonna go and try to get some of this soreness out, but most of the pain is gone. He did one crack and boom, blah, 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 everything fell in place. You know, people say chiropractors are quack doctors. I believe in them. It always works for me. Always. What's up, Irony? Futures, what's up? What's up? Jorge, what's going on? Fala, Coelho. Tamo aí, vamos ganhar grana. Fazer um din-din. Let's make some money. Yes, the beauty was that short. I thought it was going to keep going. Oh, man. But I gave everybody the opportunity to take the short. I don't know if you got the notification or not, but I posted in the community with a picture what I was doing. Even though I wasn't trading, I gave everybody the opportunity to take that short. So, what's up, everybody? What's up? Let's make some money. All right, let's start looking at the charts here. All right, so high is 37.10, low is 37.02. Yeah, it could be starting already. I'm just being super tight because it could bounce off of 3,700 and then just scream up. So yeah, if you go short now, you gotta have a stop at least above 8. So if you're going short one contract, could be good. You might be able to pull a 15-point stop, but I'm not willing to do that with 5 contracts. You got to click on all notifications, all. So once you click on the bell, it's going to give you an option. You need to click on all. You're short. Okay, yeah. I believe in the short. I think that it was an unfinished short when it stopped at 77. There was no reason to stop at 77. I don't see one reason why it should have stopped at 77. Nothing on the daily. No. See, nothing on a TPO. Yeah, I don't see. There is. Let's see. Nope. Nothing. If it had stopped at 69, okay. Yes. Which my target is 71. Yeah, there's nothing at 77. Nope. I don't see anything. Maybe a small little area of low volume, but we passed 98. So passing that and then passing the area of 94, which went into low volume. That's why I mentioned 91 this morning. If it had the strength to pass 91, it should have kept going all the way to 70. Now, the $1 million question is, where do we get in? So I'm trying to get in at 14. So I want the market to make a new high, fail, but 20 is a very contested area, so it may go up to 20. Let me turn this into, I should turn this into a 24-hour chart. No, I'm not going to. I'll make another chart, a 24-hour. Let's see, 24-hour. 24 hour, where are you? 24/5. Since it's a Wednesday, 24/5 should be good. All right. Yeah, so 20 was the last swing up before it failed, and then it crashed and it closed at 37.07. So if you're looking at a 24-hour chart, you should have a, where is it? So from here all the way up here, oh, it's not showing. Hold on, I need to make this visible on all MES. Save template as default. Yes, okay, now it should be showing. Hold on, trying to draw a line here. So let's see if that works. All right, so from here, that's where this was the last swing on the RTH that took the market all the way up to 20, and then it failed. And then it failed from here. Oops. Failed from here to here, and then back to 14. So this is why I'm looking to go short at 14. I think it will want to test that, but there's a possibility that it may want to test 20. So all right, so it will either fail here at around 7 or 8. So if you're under leveraged, this could be the short opportunity. Again, I'm going to be super tight. I'm not going to trade tomorrow. I already did a withdraw on my account, already paid myself, so I'll watch tomorrow. I'll call out trades, but this is going to be my last trade till Monday. I'm going to watch here for a bit, see if I get filled. If I get filled, I'm only going to go for, I'll go for a 7-point stop. So just in case it wants to go, I'll go for a 10-point stop. Actually, I'm going to go short at 15, and I'm going to go for a 10-point stop. This is the issue with trading ETH. You got to hide your stop because there's low volume. Every order in the order book stands out. You went long? Nice. So every order in the book stands out, so you have to be spread out. I'm not using neither. I trade my own money. I was doing Apex, but had some issues with Rhythmic, and I canceled my account, and then they wrote back to everybody saying, oh, we are refunding everyone's account. There was a problem with Rhythmic, and I had already canceled my account, and but I didn't need to go and trade Apex. I was just doing it just to for the ego. Let me tell you the absolute truth. I just wanted to show myself that I could do it, and I did pass profit target, but then because of that horrific issue, took me out. So Oh, I'm sorry, man. Well, if you can't close your trades, you gotta go and close them on the Rhythmic Pro. You gotta overpass Ninja because all of your orders are actually sitting at Rhythmic. So you gotta always have your, what is it called? Now I can't remember anymore. Your, here, let me open my Rhythmic here. It's called Trade Manager. Trader dashboard. You gotta always have that open or have the order book open, and you gotta, or the dome, yeah, and you gotta do a close all. Yeah, sorry to hear that, bro. Well, if you don't have a half off coupon code, I have one in my description if you ever need to use one. Yeah, it does suck. I feel you. Yes, I trade full time. This, yep, this how I make my living. I'm a full time trader. Trading my own account on Ninja brokerage, which I'm not quite happy. I wish I wasn't stuck on Ninja, but I am. All right, let's see. Trading full time. I saw the notification. I like time to get it. Good. Awesome. Awesome, Jorge. NQ stopped out June low, but don't see why on ES either. Yep. So I think we have a little unfinished business here to the upside, and then boom, crash. Let's see if there's anything on the. So you want to go look at the calendar to see if there's anything that they can pump. So then they go and drop it during reports. So tomorrow there's existing home sales. Home sales have been dropping, right? So this, and also there's Philly Fed index, manufacturing index. So these are all good reasons to pump the market and then go and drop during the overnight or during the report. So they'll pump, 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 and drop. And I think the pump is either to 15. 14 is my initial short. So 14 or 15 or 20. So make sure you are under leverage because you may want to move your stop. If you're a beginner trader, you got to learn how to take losses. Do not move your stop. I do have TradeStation. I do have an account open with them. I think I have about 10K there, but I just can't get used to the platform. That was, I think, my first platform. I had the PFG. No, I had PFG first in 2001, or was it? No, I had PFG first, and then I got the TradeStation in 2003, and I had that for a while. And then, I don't know, I didn't like it. And then I switched to Ninja in 2006. And I've had Ninja ever since. So, yeah. But I still have an account there. Actually, I was using it, and I only kept the account because I was using it to feed the Bookmap for free. Now they updated. I think they had a fallout with TradeStation, and you can't feed the Bookmap anymore. But now I don't want them to feed anymore because it's not MBO. So in the beginning, I was using it without looking at icebergs and stuff. So I didn't need MBO in the beginning when I was using a Bookmap in 2018. But now I don't need it anymore. It's not that I didn't like him, and now I'm so used to Ninja that I don't look at anything else. So I'm not willing to go and redo all of my charts and my, you know, 4 screens, redo everything when, I'm already profitable with my setup. You know, the only thing I don't like about Ninja is that it keeps freezing. And, you can't call platform support, but I can call the desk, I can call my broker, I can call treasury. So the money part, they answer. But, when you having issues with the platform, they don't. Oh, bummer. Que merda, hein? All right, let's get back to what's important. All right, so it looks like it could be failing. Looks like it could be failing. This could be the short. I'm not gonna take it, but this could be the short. Oh my God, I almost forgot. Just remember to turn off Replicato. Oh, I would have gone in on an ES trade. Oh no, I did go in on an ES trade. Oh no, no, it's not. It's sitting. It's sitting. Oh my God. Oh, okay. No, it's just waiting order, but I'm glad I turned it off. All right, I'm gonna go and sell one here. Just for fun. Sell one. I could deal with if I have to move it up to 20. Under leverage one, so I'm risking $71. That is nothing for my account size. Just in case it fails here, I want to be part of the action. But I believe it's gonna keep going. But if it's gonna fail before it makes a new high, this is the location. So this is the extremely high risk trade. Again, because I feel that it's gonna keep going up before it starts to come down. And it's exactly what we saw, right? It opened up. Where did it open up? Opened up at 7, and then it couldn't make a new low and started to bounce up. All right, so I'm going to have to, I only want to go short 4. So I'm going to have to cancel this, and I'm going to have to redo a 4 order at 15. So sell 4 limit. That's it. All I want to risk is 5 contracts because I may have to extend my stop. All right, I'm not looking at the chat anymore. I'm focusing here. So if you have any questions, I'll try to answer later. All right, let's start looking at the overnight volume. Yeah, so there is no really poor structure. Yeah, the overnight, it's weird. There's hardly ever any poor structure. It's not like the RTH. Yeah, I might have made a mistake going short there. Yeah, it's not like the RTH that usually it forms a lot of poor structure. The ETH is always very balanced. And that I don't know why. All right, let's look at some. All right, overnight. Okay. So there are areas that may need to get filled, and that would start above 40. But it was quite heavy on volume on the 18th. So what was that? Monday? 18th was no, I'm sorry, 17th. On the 17th. So on Monday. So it was from 40 all the way up to Monday's high at 77. That area was traded quite heavily. And then yesterday, it went all the way up and then it failed. Oh, look at this. We're starting to fall here. Now, I am going to be afraid to add anywhere up here. I will only add once it gets under 3,700. So I may lose 10 points with 5 contracts. And I don't care. Because again, we could find buyers at 3,700. I mean, I don't mind going short 15 points to 3,700 and seeing a bounce, and then maybe I'll exit at 3,703. But if I add now another 4, a bounce to '07 is nothing. So you got to always think of the pullbacks. You got to always think of the harmonic swings. The market is not just one go. It will one step forward, 2 back, 1 forward, 2 back. It moves in harmonic swings. That's why when it falls a lot harder than when it's going up. So the market it's always correcting more than moving forward. Correction swings will always be larger than a forward uptrend swing. Oh, here comes the buyers. So liquidity right now, it's pretty good. Usually it's good for another hour and a half, and then liquidity drops. So if you're ever able to hold an overnight, you will have about an hour to get out of your trade. So if you don't know what the overnight is just that 1 hour that the market, no, is it 1 hour? An hour and, yeah, from 2 to 3. You have that 1 hour that you have to have full margin. So it's not trading now, it's that 1 hour that the market is doing settlement. You have to have full margin in case something happens, in case there's a natural disaster, in case there's some type of financial news. All right, it's starting to look like it wants to fail here. Or this could be the extension to the upside. Tried to make a new high here and it failed. All right, come on. I want to go to the jacuzzi. All right, I may have some good news. I'm trying out a new add-on. It's going to take me about 3 weeks. It's almost like an AI. I'm not going to say the name of it because I don't know if it's going to be any good or not. But it could be a game changer for some people. So as soon as I'm ready, I'm going to make a review on it. And if it's any good, I'll make a review. And I think I'm even going to have a coupon code for it. So it's expensive. It's $500, but I think I'm going to have either a $10 or a $15 coupon code. It's based on order flow, based on Delta. So we'll see. I just received it today. I got a lot of reading to do, and I'm going to take advantage that I'm not going to trade tomorrow or Friday. Falou, brother. Tenha uma boa noite aí. Eu também tô a fim de tomar um vinhozinho, mas aqui é muito cedo ainda. Estou na Califa. I'm using a 4 Renko 4. Yes, that is the one, Erica. Is it Erica? Yes. That is the one. Let's see if it's any good. How you like it so far? All right, these guys are attacking my chart. So, hot girls. All right, I'm gonna have to. Are you experienced with order flow and Delta already? Okay. It's a 4 Renko. I use a 4 Renko, a 6 Renko, a 12, and a 24. No, I don't. I only trade. I only. Well, during the day, I've been doing my morning stream, and then in the afternoon, I've been taking my private trades because then I don't have to worry about streaming. And then usually at ETH, I'll go and stream, but I only trade ETH if there's an edge. An edge to me is that the market had a unfinished auction. I need to see signs that the market wanted to keep going on a certain direction. Yeah, I'm ready for a glass of wine, but it's a little too early here. Yeah, you gotta use Delta. It's very important. Yeah, community Delta. If you don't know what it is, it's the average of buys over sells or sells over buys, and that'll give you an idea of if the market is overbought or oversold. It's an addition confirmation, but you can't solely trade out of it. So yeah, I've been using order flow since 2009. It's when I first got Market Delta. It was a software. It was in, yeah, '09, 2000, or was it 8? Either 2008 or 2009 is when I first started subscribing to a platform called Market Delta. And then I think they had some issues with the IRS. I'm not sure. And somebody bought them and they buried them. Now the best is that what is it? DRT. Thank you. Yeah, I have experience. I've been trading for a long time. All right. Looks like it's failing here. All right. Turning off the chat. I'm going to focus here on the charts. All right. So are they trying to squeeze us and fake us out, or is this really the short? I think it has room to go. I may even exit this, and yeah, I'm going to exit this, and I'm going to, because I don't think it's going to go. I'm going to pay commission. Yep. I think they're trying to fake me out. All right, back to my Fiverr. I could be making a mistake, but I don't know. Wow, market volume is 4. That is horrible. That is why it's not moving. During the day, the average is anywhere between 3,000 to 4,000. Right now, on this little move, it just went up to 9. I might have made a mistake, but I don't care. I don't care. All right, if it's gonna keep going, first tug of war area will be between '03 and '04. So if it can't get through this area, it's going. So did I just move the market by getting out? Could be low liquidity, low market volume. I doubt it though. One contract, MES, but you never know. You never know, but I could have had helped move the market, but I doubt it. So there may be a buying opportunity here. But I would not go long until it starts to fail at 3,700. So either this was the short, I called it out earlier. That's why I went short there. There's a possibility that this could be the long if it fail here, but not a recommendation because let's see, there are There are 77 orders waiting at 3,700. For ETH, that is a lot. Anything over 50 during ETH is a lot on the books. So I'm not willing to go long, but either this is the short or this is the long all the way to 15. Now it's up to you to interpret it and decide on your own. But we failed to make a new high. But on the other hand, we also failed to make a new low, right? Or did we make a new low? No, we didn't make a new low. Right, I may have just to leave. I may have to switch to a different ATM and just place a really long stop and just keep watching on my Think or Swim on my phone, because this may take a while. But for this session, Delta is positive. 400 positive. Well, I don't feel bad that I exit that solo contract. I'm not seeing real sign that the market is ready to go under 3,700. Starting to see buyers come in. Market volume is still low. Oh, I need to go and change my. All right, I'm looking at the wrong thing here. I'm in the wrong workspace. Oh, wow, here we go. Again, if it goes under 3,700, I'm going to scratch my trade and I'm going to go and enjoy my evening. So target on the downside is 3671. They're trying to block here at 73. Yeah, that might have been the short at 08. Okay, if it's gonna keep going, it needs to push hard, not one tick at a time. If it struggles with one tick at a time, there's not enough momentum behind to push it through 3,700. 3,700 is a psychological number. It needs momentum. So this move lost very little delta, only about 200. And that's a steep drop to only lose 200. That could be a tell. It's crawling to make new lows. These are the kind of things that you have to pay attention to. It takes a lot of selling to make new highs, or buying to make new lows, or buying to make new highs. You're pushing the market on a direction. So if it's crawling, then that could be a sign that it's not finding enough sellers to push through. Everything that you sell, buyers come back with the same or just a little bit less. They absorb your sell and keeps you from moving headway, for a simpler term. All right, we just looks like it just absorbed about so they had 73. They added 73 at 01, and they pulled it, and only 29 got filled. But again, if it keeps going, I'm not going to feel bad that I didn't get on this trade. I'm following my trade program, which was to go low, go short at 14, If it doesn't happen, well, that's okay by me. That's my game plan, and I'm gonna follow it. Not gonna chase. Don't need to chase. Don't need to FOMO. Right, if you have any questions, I am not looking at the chat. I'm just paying attention here on the chart. Apologize, but I want to make sure that I am seeing what I think I'm seeing. So liquidity is good, but they are pulling the volume. So, all right, here we go. If it passes this, I'm done, guys. It could bounce off of 98. Oh, okay. That pushed right through. That was, absorption sell. This could be the sign that now it's going to get volatile. See how they needed a push? So all of this here, it was just like, okay, I'll sell one more, and then all of a sudden we move from what was it? From 37 and a quarter all the way down to, so 1 point and a quarter move. See how now it's getting volatile? All right. Now it's going to get going. Okay. I think I missed it. I hope somebody took the short. I did say if it failed at 08, that could have been the short. I didn't take it because that was not part of my game plan, but it was a solid short. Hope somebody had the cojones to take it. Yeah, it could bounce here, but yeah. So target is 70, but I would get out at 71. Yeah. That's it. I'm not going to cry over spilled milk. All right, guys, I'm done. I'm done. Maybe I missed my opportunity, but I'm just following my game plan. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. 71 or 70 is a solid target. All right. So if you did jump on that short, I hope you make tons of money. You could opportunity to make 40 points if you went short at 38. 37 points, 38 points minimum. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Got in. Good for you. Good for you. Yeah. Oh, absorption buy. We are at a spot that it could turn around here, so be careful. Absorption buy. But the after hours absorptions are not not the same. They don't carry a lot of weight, but you still have to be observant of them. But would you add absorption buy at 3,700 and absorption sell at 98 and a quarter? So this could be a sign that it may reverse here. All right, everyone, I appreciate you watching. No trade, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cancel this recording. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you live in the Thunderdome. I'll see you all tomorrow. Yes, I sure did. I am done. I am done. Almost $11,000 in 2 days. I can't complain. Already got my withdraw. Should be receiving on Monday or Tuesday. Usually when you ask for on Wednesday, usually it comes either Monday or Tuesday. So, yeah. All right, everyone. Boa noite para todos. Have a wonderful evening. Muito obrigado. E boa sorte. Good luck, everyone. I'll see you guys.